Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Viking shield decor for all those Viking lovers out there. Everything except the paint and the vinyl was from Dollar Tree. However, you can get those items from Dollar Tree as well. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is remove these staples from the bottom of the canvas. It might be easier if you had a staple remover or even a flathead screwdriver would possibly work, but I'm using these shears to pull up the staples. Once I'm done, I'm going to flip it over and work with the front side of this piece. I'm taking my thumbtacks and evenly space them around. Get a hammer to help push them through. Now I'm going to take this splatter screen and remove the center part with a screwdriver. If you look at a Viking shield, you'll see in the middle of the shield is what's called a boss, and that's what this piece will represent. Now that I have my two pieces ready, I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them gray. Next, I'm going to take my brown paint and I'm going to make a stain by mixing 1 part paint with 1 part water. I'm going to apply the paint just like I would apply the stain. I'm applying it in the direction of the wood grain and I'm going to leave it there for a few minutes, then wipe it off with a paper towel. Next, I'm going to place that round piece from the canvas onto the wood round just to determine where to apply my vinyl. If you have any bubbles in your vinyl like I did, you can use a heat gun to help smooth those bubbles away like I had to do. So unfortunately, I didn't hit the record button on my phone for this next part, but it's simply gluing these two pieces to your wood round. I used hot glue and I also added staples here to secure the two pieces better. I also painted the sides gray again since the wood round was still brown on its side. Lastly, I used a little bit of twine and glue that to the back. I also made one on a larger scale. I got this wood round from Joann's. I used the same gray paint, but the center is actually wood stain instead of paint. So this is another option if you want to make a bigger one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.